everybody, so today we're going to be opening up some PR packages from a couple brands, and I'm going to show you the basket that I curated for this year for all of our delivery people who come by, and just to say thank you for all their hard work this year round. And I know the holidays get crazy, so I know these little pick-me-ups mean a lot. Also, I want to say thank you for being patient with Vlogmas because I have not been on time, and you guys, I know you understand, but it just, for me, eternally, I put a lot of pressure on myself. So I want to make sure I try to like chill the heck out and just relax, but I'm behind. And I will say I feel very blessed to be so busy because it's a good thing, you know, and I'm trying to keep up with all my contracts and all of that. And I hope you guys have really enjoyed my other videos that I have put out. Some of the videos just may come a little bit later, not sooner than later. Okay, I don't know how to say it. I have the same sign as last year, except it's just a new one. I got a couple laminated just so I have them ready. And I started laminating them. You can get them done at Staples for really cheap. This year, we switched up things a lot. So we have waters. We need to get Gatorades though, but we forgot to get them at Costco. And the snacks have definitely switched up. So now we are giving hot chips and hot Cheetos. We got the hot chip pack. We have cookies and cream Rice Krispie treat, birthday cake Rice Krispie treat, and for those who want a little bit more of a healthy snack, we have the Made Good granolas. These ones are really good. This one's berry, this one's chocolate chip, and that's what we have going on. Usually we do like some granola bars, protein bars, like Welch's fruit snacks, but we noticed that no one ever takes the protein bars or granola bar, like the healthy stuff, and we noticed the chips are always gone. So I still wanted to give the option, so I just put like 6 bags of these, like 3 and 3 of each flavor. But we noticed everybody wants the good snacks. So Glenn was like, let's get a hot chip box from Costco. I said, okay, that sounds good, because the last year we were left with so many granola bars. Like so many. It was very hard to keep up. That I remember we did something with our friends and we like brought granola bars. Like, who wants a granola bar? Because there was like way too many that we didn't want it to go bad. Okay, so we're gonna open up a couple PR packages. I have a couple arriving again tomorrow, but I just want to get the boxes out of the way because I'm trying to clear out all the stuff. I just did a story on my Instagram. I was talking about how I feel very overwhelmed with like not being on time with decorating and all that. Like, I still need to put the balls on there, and I already mentioned that before. We have boxes in our back family room, and it's just a mess. We'll eventually get to it, but I saw a lot of people, and I really liked seeing their responses because sometimes it helps, like seeing other people's answers. And there's a lot of people who feel like me, but then there was quite a bit of answers saying, I don't give a damn if I'm late. Like, I do not want to stress out. Like, I'm over the holidays. I want to just not put too much pressure. Or you guys were just stating like, I'm good. Like, I don't put any pressure because I don't want to deal with it anymore. I'm over it. And I totally get it. And I need to stop putting so much pressure on myself too. I need to chill out. Do you need to chill out with me? Because yeah. Okay, so we got a package from Good Molecules, and it's sunscreen for every skin tone. Ooh, love that. You guys know I'm a huge Supergoop fan. Oh, I thought it was gonna be multiple shades. It is one, and it says sheer mineral sunscreen SPF 30, minimal white cast sunscreen. I use a Derma E one, and I love Derma E, you guys. Love that brand. But when I use theirs, no. It was an opaque white cast. We have this one right here. I'll be trying this out. Not right now though, because I've been touching so much stuff, I don't want to like put anything on my face. Sigma Infinity Point Lipsticks with jojoba oil, sunflower seed, and vitamin E. Available December 6th. It's not like a huge box because sometimes their packaging is very, very large, which I appreciate the PR, but it gets kind of a lot. So here it is. Here are the shades. So yeah, they definitely expanded. I do know, so they have like darker shades, it seems like. Peach tea though. Oh no, it's not coordinating with that, but ooh, this one looks nice. Peach tea, let's try it on. I kind of already have a lipstick on it. It probably looks like the lipstick I had on already. It's like a peach nude. Love that. So the whole point of this lipstick is that it keeps its point, so you always have precision. Colourpop, just like magic. Okay, so there's holiday vaults. There's a pressed powder vault, with 6 new ultra pigmented palettes. I don't know which one I got. Or the Magic Super Shock Vault with 25 brand new shades. Oh, I got the palette vault. Okay, cool. I love their color. I love Colourpop palettes. Oh, sorry. It looks like this. I didn't even show you. It slides out. And, oh. I was being so careful to make sure to not drop anything. Okay, so let me show you. Ooh, I already like, ooh. I love Colourpop palettes. So affordable in the palette world for the quality that they have. I think the shadows look so beautiful. So here's the vault. This is a great one, especially for makeup lovers. Oh my gosh, this is like all the freaking colors they need, honestly. Because the pigment is there. Oh, it's so stunning. And I don't care. I will love every single Colourpop palette that comes out that's nude or warm or peachy or pink. They just have such great quality palettes. And the only thing is that they launch so much stuff that it's like, whoa, how can you keep up? I feel like this might be Nars because they usually have similar packaging and they give like this, this really cool matte black tape on all their packages. It is Nars. I'm excited because Nars has been releasing some amazing, amazing products. These always remind me of my mom. Well, the little white ones. Like, ever since I was little, we had an sorry if I scared any of you. We always had, you know, I might keep this because she's gonna be with me this whole weekend, Friday to Monday. I'm gonna keep these so she can pop them. We always used to get those and we would pop them, or we would even go to the post office and then we would just like buy some so that she could pop them. And then if there wasn't a lot, she's like, hey, that's mine. And she wouldn't share her bubbles. Isn't that funny? Wow, gorgeous. Hello. They have the Instant Stardom Mini Face Set. Ooh, with the light reflecting powder, a blush, and a lipstick. So these are some holiday sets. This one is, oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot rave enough about these. This one's called the Kiss the Stars Matte Lip Duo. But this product right here, the Power, what is it called? It's, I always freaking forget. Oh, Air Matte Lip Color. My holy grail lipstick. It's like a whipped lipstick. And it is so good. I think that's definitely worth the splurge. And it doesn't make your lips chapped. They feel very smooth. Here's the, oh, this is the light reflecting setting powder. Just a holiday version with special packaging. Damn, they sent a lot. Thank you. Dulce Vita little lipstick and gloss. Another, okay, I'm definitely gonna put this for like a giveaway. Light reflecting powder. I need to do a giveaway on my Instagram. Or should I do it here on YouTube? Let me know. We have a blush. I think maybe here, right? Because a lot of people don't have Instagram, and I feel like I need to do a YouTube one. Orgasm blush. Still such a good one. I don't care if it's like an OG product. It is so good. It looks very beautiful. And then a double mascara of the Explicit Content Climax Mascara. You know, unfortunately, this one didn't work out for me. I tried it, and I don't have the best lashes, and it made me look like I had 5. It's probably meant for someone who has much fuller lashes. Orgasm Triple Threat Cheek and Lip Set. Yes, this product too, the Afterglow Balm Lips Kiss. It's the best. And this one has Orgasm, and then a stick of Orgasm, the cream. Right there. The cream blush of Orgasm, the blush of Orgasm, or is it Orgasm, or am I just assuming? I don't know. Behave Back Set Cheek Set. No, I think it's another one. Okay, I think it's in a different shade. I'm just not sure. But it's like a pearlescent pink too. And then they sent over the Rising Star Cheek Palette. Oh, I'm going to open this one up right now because they always have the bomb cheek palettes. And here's the eyeshadow palette. Okay, let me open up the cheek because I actually saw this on Sephora. And I was going to buy it. So this is what the packaging looks like. I think Nars holiday packaging is always beautiful. And then this one feels much more lightweight than before as a protective sheet. And then here are the shades. Oh, love them. And I love that it matches me because before when they used to send palettes, they were all way too light for me. Nothing matched me. So, and then here is an eyeshadow palette. I actually have to use some of their shadows because I've been using their single shadows. It's more like a cream glitter and it looks so bomb on the eyes. Very, very like glittery and pigmented. Again, the eyeshadow palette. but I haven't actually tried their eyeshadow palettes in a while. Ooh, this one's like very seductive. I would love to do like a sexy bronze eye. Look at that. I love that with like a pop of color at the bottom. I have an Amazon box here. I think I was gonna open it too. I bought like no presents. I bought 2 presents so far. Just for my niece and nephew because they were easy. But I think I need to get her one more thing. Oh yeah. I found this really cute thing online. And it's a necklace activity for 3+ because she's 3. And it's a Junior Mickey and it says includes 5 charms and necklaces. So she can basically make her own bracelets or, right? Oh, only necklaces. So it's a necklace. And so it's easy because it just slides right through. So it's like a little kit. So she can like interchange them, you know, get creative. And then, yes, I got one of these power banks right here. Love that. My friend had one the last time I saw her. Oh my gosh, I needed cords. I know that these are like cheaper cords, but I don't care. I just need cords. Here's the other thing I got her. It's an LCD drawing tablet for 3+. And it's in the shape of a unicorn. Oh, I don't think, okay, I'm not going to open it, but hopefully it's okay and it's not broken, but it's literally a white tablet with a unicorn head. And it looks very cute. It got really good reviews too. Oh, and then I picked up this rhinestone glue. I've seen this on Amazon quite a bit, so I was like, let me try it out because I wanted to do my own nails. And I read the reviews, and they're supposedly very good. Okay, let's see. And it's, oh, whoa, this is a mega tube. This is a big rhinestone tube. This is almost like a mini from Sephora when they give you a mask. So, okay, good. It has, I don't know if I should be pushing it. Okay, it has a really nice tip, so I'm just not going to squeeze that. All right, guys, I'm going to get going. I love you so much. Thanks for listening to me. Thanks for watching me. You're the best. Seriously, I know there's so many other people you can watch. Thank you for taking your precious time and watching me. It does not go unnoticed, seriously. Sorry I haven't been freaking commenting back to comments. I'm going to try to do some tonight in bed. Yeah, I'm just trying to keep up, but I love you guys. You guys are amazing, seriously. We all just need to just chill the heck out, right? Yeah, just, it'll all work out in the end. It'll all work out in the end. Okay, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Woo!